Dylan from Autowash here, standing in one of our auto bays. And maybe you've driven your car into one of these and gotten a wash. Maybe you've driven by one of our locations. You wonder what is different about Autowash. We seem to harp on that touch-free, acid-free, touchless technology thing, right? Well, why is that? I'm here to explain it to you. So, if you've used another car wash or you're afraid of car washes because everybody tells you they scratch, there's a good reason for that. Most car washes use spinning brushes and wraps and all kinds of stuff that touches your car. Now, it doesn't matter what that material is made out of. Plenty of car washes are going to tell you it's the softest material available and it cleans really good. That might be true for the first car that goes through. But every car that goes into that car wash is there for a reason, right? It's dirty. Those brushes are there to scrub the dirt away. Well, where does that dirt go? Well, can't all get rinsed off, right? Some of it ends up trapped in those brushes. Now you have, doesn't matter again what the material is, but that material is covered in tiny little particles, crispy bug guts, bird bombs, dirt, dust, mag chloride, sand, gravel, who knows what is getting picked up by those brushes and then it's getting rubbed into your paint. That's how you end up with what we call swirl marks, those circular looking lines all over the paint when you look at your car in the sun. That is from something scratching, causing little microscopic scratches. The more you go through one of those touch washes, those scratch factories as we like to call them, the more scratches you're gonna get, the more dull your paint's gonna look. Now, why is that important? Well, your clear coat is really thin and it's really delicate, and it's the part that gives your car the shine that you love. You know, you bought that car and it looks so cool and shiny. Well, if you add a bunch of scratches, it dulls the finish. Eventually, it can actually require a repaint if you don't take care of it. That's why we do Touchless. We use high pressure, we use filtered water, we use a ton of nozzles on every one of these arms. So we're attacking that dirt without touching it. We're rinsing it away. We're using our special non-corrosive, non-acid soaps to take that dirt and lift it away from the paint. Nozzles come in with high pressure, warm, filtered water, true spot-free water, and rinse it away. That way, we're not introducing those little scratches to your paint. So the next time you see your car in the sun, it doesn't look worse than the last time you went through the car wash. So hopefully that helps you understand why we are so crazy about touchless technology here. And if you love your car, that's why it should be coming to Autowash. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more Beyond the Wash content brought to you by Autowash.